How's it going, everybody? This is Merch by Amazon, March 28th, sales update. I'll just do the weekend overview. It's actually been a pretty good weekend. As you can see here, Saturday and Sunday in the US have spiked. There was a bit of I don't know how I would describe it, but for me, it was a bit of a worry that the month would end really, really bad, which I think it still will if we look at the U.S. sales overall for the month. Here's a monthly chart. Hopefully, it downloads very quickly. But as you can see, it's dropped pretty significantly, and if it beats out December, it will be a very good month because I was honestly expecting this to be even lower than it is today. So definitely the weekend with 19 sales overall really does help, and I guess all I can do is hope that it continues. There's a couple of products that are, I don't want to say taking off, but that are for some reason getting maybe 3 to 4 to 5 sales a day. And then a bunch of random ones are starting to sell. I think ever since we got that new tag, I've noticed an increase in sales slightly because it happened about Friday or Saturday. But that's where we are. Overall sales for the weekend, 30. So these are my total weekend sales, Saturday and Sunday. And that's not bad. If I'm averaging 15 sales a day, I'm very, very happy with that. But as you can see, I mean, the US really, came in strong, and a bunch of other marketplaces that have been somewhat strong over the last couple of months are slowing down. For example, Germany and I think Italy and Japan were actually getting some pretty consistent sales. Not that like 4 sales in Germany, that's fine, but like I think that my highest day in Germany was 17. So it's always kind of like you're comparing it to the average, you're comparing it to your highest day, and but this is what the weekend looked like. So far, definitely can't complain. If we look at the monthly sales, total sales for the month, I'm sitting at 281. So I'm fully expecting, because it is the 28th, we have 3 or 4 more days, including today. I think 3 days. I'm expecting to get over 300, but I don't think that I will beat my previous month, which was 333. Now, this in no way would have been this high if the sales didn't spike in the last 5-6 days of the month, last month. But who knows? Maybe I'll have a few good days starting today, and maybe I squeeze out 50 sales in total, just because I did get 30 sales this weekend. But again, I'm not expecting it. In either case, what I'm trying to say is that my royalties are kind of where I expected them to be, which is between $900 and $1,000 US, and that's not bad for me. So 281 sales total so far this weekend, 30 sales, and then the last 2 days in the US, 19. So again, these are kind of the total numbers. It's looking pretty good. We got a few days left in the month, so hopefully things just get better. We'll see. We have to keep tracking. I hope this is the start of something, and I get into April pretty strong. But this is where we are for now, and it's looking pretty good. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.